Review of the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer with pouring shield, model KSM150PS. I'll go through its strengths, potential drawbacks, performance, usability, and whether it might be a good match depending on what you bake or cook. What it is, this mixer is part of KitchenAid's Artisan line. The 5-quart refers to the bowl capacity, tilt head to the design style. The head tilts back for access to the bowl. And pouring shield means it comes with a plastic or clear guard for the bowl to help add ingredients without making a mess. It's a mid to upper tier home mixer, popular among serious home bakers. Specs like power, color options, speed settings, and included attachments are part of what makes it appealing. Highlights: what it does well, versatility for many tasks. Users report that it handles everything from mixing batters, whipping creams, making cookie dough, to a certain extent, kneading dough with good results. The variable speed settings give control over delicate versus heavy mixing, slow stirring, fast whipping, etc. Build quality and design. It has a sturdy feel. Many reviews praise its durability and how solidly it's built. The tilt head design is user-friendly. Easy to lift the head up, attach, detach accessories, scrape bowl sides, etc. A large selection of colors, finishes, and styles, so you can match it to your kitchen aesthetic. Several users love the visual aspect. Pouring shield helps reduce mess, flour, sugar, powdered ingredients flying out. Users seem to like this accessory. It's particularly useful when adding liquids or powders while the mixer is running. Strong motor for home use. While not industrial, it has enough power for many home baking scenarios. Several reviews mention how well it handles stiffer doughs and thicker batters compared to lesser models. Customer satisfaction and reputation, high customer ratings, 4.75 in many Amazon listings, show that people are generally very pleased. Positive reviews often mention well-made, beautiful, value for money, well worth the investment. Potential weaknesses. What to watch out for: weight and size. It's heavy. Many users mention that it doesn't move much on the countertop due to its heft, which is good for stability, but not so good if you need to store it away or lift it often. Bulk. It takes up space. Tilt head design helps access but still needs countertop room. Noise, not silent. Several users mention that it gets loud under heavier loads, e.g., thick dough. For light tasks, it's fine. For heavy kneading, the sound is more noticeable. Tilt head limitations under very heavy loads. As is typical with tilt head mixers, some head bounce or slight wobble can occur when making very stiff or large batches of dough. Some users say this happens even when everything is adjusted/pinned properly. Because of this, if you're frequently making massive batches of dough or want something ultra-industrial, the bowl lift or more heavy-duty mixer may be a better choice. Pouring shield quirks. The pouring shield is helpful, but some users report that it may be a little fiddly, or that cleaning it and removing it takes effort. Also, being plastic, there's sometimes concerns about durability or staining over time. Price. It's not a low-end model. You're paying for the combination of performance, design, and brand. Some might find cheaper mixers that do enough if their baking needs are modest, but many feel that the investment is justified. Attachment fit and small issues. A few reviewers mention small fit issues, or that parts like the bowl locking mechanism or attachment hubs show wear, though these seem to be minority cases. KitchenAid's customer service seems responsive in such cases. Performance in use mixing. Light batters, cakes, cookies. Excellent. The mixer blends thoroughly without needing too many tweaks. The wire whip and paddle do their jobs well. Whipping. Cream, egg whites. Generally good, though bowl/bowl clearance, how far the whisk is from the bowl walls. Matter, and some small batches may splash if speeds are high. The pouring shield helps. Kneading dough. For bread dough or other thick doughs, it handles small, medium batches fine. For very large or super stiff doughs, some limitations show. The tilt head design is less rigid than a bowl lift model, so wobble and stress on the hinge can occur. Durability over time. Many users report years of heavy use. Some units from older artisan lines are still running. But like any machine, maintenance, cleaning, not overloading, avoiding abuse, helps a lot. Who it's best for this mixer is an excellent match if you bake regularly, cakes, cookies, small loaves of bread, frostings, whipped creams, but not necessarily in commercial volumes. You want a combination of style and function, color options, good design, and don't mind having a heavier appliance sitting on the counter. You value ease of use. Easy to attach accessories, easy access, pouring shield, speed settings. You want something built to last and are okay with spending more than a basic model. Less ideal if you bake very large batches of heavy dough often, e.g., big artisan loaves, 5 to 6 croissants or more dough at once. Then a bowl lift or more robust motor might serve better. You need something lightweight or that can be stored away often. Noise sensitivity is important, and you want the quietest possible operation under heavy loads. Verdict. Overall, the KitchenAid Artisan 52 Tilt-Head with pouring shield, KSM150PS, is a strong homestand mixer. It balances power, versatility, and design very well. It's a long-term investment piece for many, with a lot of users happily reporting that it replaced older mixers and has become a staple in their kitchen. If your baking needs a line with what it does well, I'd say it's well worth considering. A link to this mixer will be in the description, and I will pin it to the first comment. Thank you for watching. If you have this mixer, tell us what your experience has been. If you're torn between this and something else, drop your questions below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cookware reviews.